Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to use snap layouts in Windows 11. Have you ever been working on 3 to 4 different applications and need to be able to see them all on one screen? Windows 11 has snap layouts that will help you view more than one application on the same screen. Let's look at how to use snap layouts in Windows 11. Log on to your Windows 11 machine. Open the applications that you are going to be working in on the same screen. Hover over the Maximize or Resize button and choose the layout for the applications that you want and click on it. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? The contact information is listed here. Also, if you would like to learn more about Windows 11, check out the Windows 11 courses on the State Learning Management System.